Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make strawberry lip balm with all natural ingredients. First, here's a list of what you'll need. You're going to need some beeswax. Next, get some dried strawberries. Blend them up until it's a nice powder. You'll need about 1 cup of strawberry powder. This will give it a nice sweet flavor that isn't artificial. You have to add some oils to keep your lips nice and soft. So, add 3 teaspoons of avocado oil and 3 teaspoons of coconut oil. Put all of the ingredients together in a glass or ceramic bowl, not plastic, because it's about to get really hot. Get a pot of water. Don't fill it though. Get your parents to help you with this next part. Bring the water to a boil. Put your bowl of ingredients in the pot. Make sure you don't get any water in your mixture. If you think there's too much water, pour some out and try again. Now be careful and stir the mixture until it's smooth. Stir, 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 stir. When the mixture is completely melted, take it out of the pot. Next, strain it into another glass or ceramic bowl. I used a teacup and it worked fine. Straining the mixture will remove all of the strawberry seeds and chunks, so you will only have a smooth, creamy lip balm left. Put the mixture back in the pot to make it easier to pour again. Then use a spoon to pour it into smaller containers. Let the lip balm cool and then try it. Rub your finger on the lip balm to warm it up and put it on your lips. You can even lick your lips and get a taste of strawberry. Yum!